Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time here, you're welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to make parfait at home in the comfort of your own home, and this video is meant for those that want to start parfait as a business. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get on to it. So this is how to make parfait. For business owners, you don't need to use exotic fruit like the ones I used here, like kiwi, blueberry and all. You just need apple and grape and your business is set to go. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.